everyone, we're at the Cape Cod Mall and we're gonna go into the Macy's. So this is Macy's. And we just came out of Macy's.
Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you'd like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
Got a Best Buy and Marshalls, Dine and Mate, Dick's Sporting Goods. Ten. Route 21. Room. These nails.
What do they have? Best Buy, Marshall, Bennington Building,
Go that way. Walk down this way first.
But is this the place that we've never been before? I don't get it. I don't remember this mall at all like this. There's a big pool over here. There's Verizon over here.
Kinds of shirts. You got Marilyn Monroe with a mask on.
That's the My Joe shirt. Oh gee.
Yeah, tattoos.
Well, this actor kid died.
Yeah.
Dominic and Sophia were upset about that.
J. Jill.
It's something that they watched.
American Eagle Outfitter. You want to give a thumbs up? I'll give you a thumbs up. Okay.
Thank you so much. Will you start?
Now.
Well, come see me at Metro PCS over at the Cape Cod Mall. We give you guys deals.
in here. Family's jewelry, right?
Lids. Sunglass hut. Bath fork and beauty. Indians. There's Macy's. Pacific Sunwear. Yeah, it's not an entrance.
I thought we left Macy's back there.
Maybe they got two different sides. Got Zayre's over here.
Zales, that's
Yeah.
diamond store. This is Victoria's Secret.
Yeah, Victoria's Secrets.
I think I want to go see what's going on over here. There was nothing yesterday.
Zayre's Diamond Store.
Yeah, well, we have that.
We have Life is Pink.
We have in our mall too.
Yeah. Children's Place. Newberry's Comic. New Goods. The International. Shoe Department on Core. No.
Shoe department, we have them down there in our place. There's a lot of shoes.
We got Olympia Sports. There's Target up ahead. Regal Cinerama is located here. Got Dick's Sporting Store. And right down here is the Regal. I don't think the movie's playing anymore. Unless it's outside. Yeah, I think it's outside.
What is?
The Regal. You have to go outdoors to get to it. I think that was the last time.
bottom too, huh?
Oh yeah. You gotta go through Target to get to CVS. It's Planet Fitness.
Wow.
Yeah. Pretty big place.
Look at all those vestures. All the clothing.
Yeah.
Yeah? You probably want to buy something. There's a restaurant down there. But you got the
So-
list over here. You don't have to go in there.
Yeah. So here's the So this is where the restaurants are. Yeah, the dough. Oh. Hollister's, California.
We don't even know if the restaurants are open.
It's Regal.
Yeah, somebody's open. Maybe I should have changed up.
Huh. Recording right now.
I don't know what to do. Down in Mashpee, where I bought some stuff.
Yeah.
Is that the sale of the season?
And
It goes all the way down to Marshall's, where we could have entered before, but remember, it was so busy. Couldn't even see anything. Oh, they have, look, James, you know where I bought these earrings in Francesca's? There's a Francesca's over here too. Jewelers, Iyannough Jewelers, the one. Barnes and Noble. So basically that's it, right? That's
Yeah.
the end.
Fine kitchen.
You gotta walk back another half.
Restaurant area.
Huh? Oh, there's a Thai
Marshall.
restaurant
Oh.
over there, I guess. Huh? And what is that other thing over there? Oh,
I don't know,
there's
just restaurant.
Japanese and Thai.
Yeah. This GNC. Exit door out. Show your military ID and save.